Welcome. If you want to set up Screenlock in your Archos Access 57, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down to enter the security and the password, and here tap on the Screenlock. Right now we can set up one of this method. I'm going to pick up the pattern, read the description, click yes, draw your pattern, click next, and do it one more time. After that you have to click on the confirm. We can also adjust notifications on the lock screen, so I'm going to hide the sensitive content of the notifications. Then click done, and after that we can lock the device and unlock. So right now we have to swipe and input our currently locked method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.